Let me show you how to turn on live translation on your iPhone. Now, if you're texting with somebody and they text in a different language, you can always enable live translation. I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is head into the Settings app on your iPhone. We need to make sure you've updated to the latest iOS 26. This is a feature that is built into iOS 26. So if you haven't already, just update your phone. Now, if you go into a conversation with someone and you start typing in Spanish or French or any other language, a lot of times it will pop up with the ability to automatically translate. If it doesn't automatically pop up, you can always turn on automatically translate. And from here, you can choose whatever language. In this case, I'm going to translate the language Spanish to English. Now let's go back out of here and you can see it's translating Spanish. Now you can also just press and hold on any of these and hit translate and then continue. If you want to use Google Translate within your messages, you can see it will translate from Spanish to English. You can also press the play button to listen to both of those. And of course, you can hit the copy and paste, etc. But this makes all the conversations a bit easier in any language.